Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Karthik. In today's video, we are diving deep into fascinating battle in the world of AI, that is traditional AI versus Gen AI. On one side, we have the tried and true method of AI, with the algorithm designed to perform specific tasks based on pre-programmed tools and data. On the other side, the rising star of the AI world, that is Gen AI, capable of creating new original content from scratch. But before we jump into today's video, make sure to watch my previous video on GenAI Foundation. In that video, we lay the groundwork for understanding how GenAI works and what makes it so powerful. Now let's break down the key differences between traditional AI and GenAI and explore how they are shaping the future of technology. Before that, please subscribe to my channel to get similar kind of content. Today, we are going to discuss about these topics: traditional AI, generative AI, large language models, traditional AI versus Gen AI, and Gen AI use cases. Let's jump into first topic, traditional AI. Imagine you are in a telecom company and you have a vast repository of customer information, everything from their usage patterns to their subscription details. Now you want to predict which customer might leave or cancel their service. Here is how traditional AI might work in this scenario. First, you take all the information about your customer and move it into an analytics platform. This is where all the data starts getting analyzed. Next, in the analytics platform, you build your predictive model. This model focuses on identifying patterns that tell you which customers are likely to cancel. You look for indicators that predict who is at risk. Next, once those models are built, they get deployed in a specific application. This is where the action happens. Once the system identifies a customer who is at risk of leaving, you can take steps to intervene. Next, you might reach out to those customers, offer them a special promotion, or address any concerns to prevent cancel. The goal here is to convince the customer to stay, whether through incentives or a better customer experience. Now, here is the catch. Even though this seems like an AI solution, I wouldn't exactly call it AI just yet. This is predictive analytics, where you are predicting future based on data. To make this AI, you need to introduce a feedback loop. For instance, a customer responds to your interventions. You gather data on what worked and what didn't. This information can then be fed back into the system to improve the models over time, helping the system become smarter and more accurate. In essence, traditional AI often relies on data, models, and prediction, but the intelligence comes from the ability to learn and adapt based on the new inputs. Now let's talk about generative AI and see how it is completely transformed from traditional AI. With generative AI, we are dealing with the entirely new way of thinking, new architecture, and a much more scalable approach to solving problems. Here is the shift. In case of traditional AI, the data is locked inside our internal organization. Generative AI starts with a massive quantity of information. This information is vast and span across multitudes of topics, industries, and contexts. We are talking about everything from public dataset, books, website, and even specialized knowledge. Next, the massive data is used to train LLMs, which are extraordinarily powerful and capable of understanding and generating human like text. These models are vast in scope, and their ability to understand general knowledge is nothing short of remarkable. They are trained on huge amount of data and can generate insights and response based on their breadth of information. Next, prompting and tuning. This is the key difference in GenAI approach. In this step, you fine tune the LLMs to fit your specific use case. So for our telecom company example, you take the general knowledge about customer cancel but tailor it to the unique behavior of your customers by prompting the model correctly and tuning it with specific data that's relevant to your business. This helps the model provide insights that are much more actionable and specific to your context. Just like traditional AI, there is an application layer where the insights from GenAI are actually put to work, whether that identifying customer at risk of canceling or tailoring a personalized message. This layer is where the results are consumed and acted upon. Much like traditional AI, there is also a feedback loop in GenAI. However, since these models are typically external to your organization, the feedback loop goes back into the prompting and tuning layer. which helps to further refine the model for your use case over time. It's a continuous improvement process. In GenAI, data and LLMs are outside of our organization, and prompt and applications are inside our organization. In case of GenAI use case, there are two use cases. One is domain specific and another is industry specific. It's widely used in both the domain as well as the industries. Yeah, thanks for learning, guys. I will create another useful video similar kind of this, and we will jump into the coding part after seeing couple of videos. Thank you.